our product is called the ACES Experts series. So we call our commercial notebook as Expert Book, and we call our commercial desktop or AI and AIO as Expert Center. So we have a tagline that built for trusted by IT experts and built for worry-free business. Hold on, my clickers. So yeah, so na-mention na ni Ms. Enka that we are now with a dedicated commercial team. So these are my team name. Some are, nilalaan sila dito because yung iba nasa management meeting in Taiwan where nakalagay niya aming HQ. So this is our management, then our vertical sales, then we have our channel sales, and we also have the provincial in Cebu and Davao. And of course, our field application engineers and our support team, and of course, we also have our marketing, which are our group. So yeah, so this is our team. So starting this year, meron na kaming dedicated commercial team na nakafocus. So that is why we're also having these activities. We started na doing such many activities na nakikipag-engage na kami with media partners. And we promise you na magkikita tayo every quarter. So this is just the start. So we'll be seeing each other again for Q4 and so on. Yeah. So that's what we call, we would like to call our group as Expert Hub. So meron kaming Facebook group, make sure na be a member of our exclusive Facebook group